In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a high converting lead magnet page using Leadpages and how to properly handle form delivery and tracking so you actually know what's working. A lot of people create lead magnets, but they stop at the page itself. They don't set up delivery correctly, they don't track conversions, and they have no visibility into what happens after someone submits the form. And that's how you end up guessing instead of optimizing. I'll walk you through how to structure your page, connect the form, deliver the lead magnet, and track submissions so you can see exactly where your leads are coming from and how your page is performing. If you're building an email list, sending a digital product later, or running ads to a lead magnet, this setup is essential. I'm Erin from My First Website. Let's get into it. So what is Leadpages? Leadpages is a landing page platform made specifically for collecting leads and getting people to take action. Instead of building pages inside a regular website builder or juggling a bunch of plugins, Leadpages gives you everything you need in one place, focused on conversions. The main goal of Leadpages is to turn visitors into subscribers. That could be getting someone to download a free guide, sign up for a webinar, book a call, or grab any kind of free resource. It's built around those exact use cases, which is why it feels so different from a normal website page. One of the biggest reasons people use Leadpages is because it handles all of the technical stuff for you, so you don't even have to think about hosting, page speed, or whether the page works on mobile. Leadpages takes care of that, so your pages load fast and look good on any device. The templates are also designed to make it easy for people to sign up. The layout, button placement, and forms are already set up in a way that encourages action, so that way you're not guessing where things should go. On top of that, Leadpages includes built-in forms, delivery, and tracking, so when someone fills out a form, their information is captured automatically and sent where it needs to go, and you can see how your page is performing without those extra tools. If you want a simple way to build lead magnet pages that actually work, this is why people choose Leadpages. And if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for the 14-day free trial using our link down below. That way you can follow along as we build a lead magnet page step by step. Once you're inside of Leadpages, the first thing I'm going to do is click on landing pages. This is where all of your page templates live, and it's where you'll start anytime you want to build a lead magnet page from scratch or from a proven layout. At the top, you'll see the template library, and on the left side, Leadpages lets you sort and filter templates by things like the conversion rate, popularity, industry, and page type. So instead of scrolling endlessly, I'm just going to use the search bar and I'm going to type in lead magnet because that's what I want to create. So as soon as I do that, lead magnet filters the library down to templates that are specifically designed for lead capture. And these aren't generic pages. They're built to exchange value for an email address, which is exactly what we want when we're delivering a guide, checklist, or a free resource. Now you can see the different lead magnet template options available. You'll notice templates for like B2B guides, video courses, coaching offers, real estate guides, and general downloadable resources. So as you're looking for a template, the important thing to understand is that the layout matters more than the niche. So you can customize the copy, the branding, and the visuals later. So what you're really choosing right now is structure. When I hover over a template, Leadpages gives me the option to preview it. So this is where things get really useful. At the bottom of the preview, when you use the template, you can toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile, but this lets you see exactly how the page will look across devices before you even select it. This is important because a lot of your traffic is going to come from mobile. So Leadpages automatically optimizes for responsiveness, but reviewing each view helps you understand spacing, form placement, and how readable your headline and CTA are on smaller screens. So let's just use this template because I like the CTA in the form here. Then I will name this lead magnet. Click enter. Okay, so I will name this lead magnet 1, click enter. Okay, so now we're in the Leadpages editor, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the layout panel. So this shows every section on the page, including the header, hero section, CTA, feature sections, footer. You can reorder sections, hide them, or remove them entirely without touching any code. So what I really like about Leadpages is if you were to click like maximize efficiency with smart software solutions, they let you know that it's a headline. So if you're still getting familiar with what's what, like maybe you don't know what a hero section is, you can, like click hero and edit. You can definitely just kind of click around, kind of educate yourself as well on what is what. So here it says hero is here. So you get like a general idea of what what a hero is. So also a great tool to have if you're still in that learning curve. Now clicking into sections. So they let you swap out entire blocks. For example, if you want to add an about section or testimonial section or additional CTA, you can do that with one click. So Leadpages gives you pre-built sections. For example, if you want to add an about section, maybe you want a testimonial section, you can also do an additional CTA. Let's see here. Call to action, and we can see like several different types of CTAs. You can do that with one click. And so Leadpages gives you pre-built section design. So that way you're not designing from scratch. So let's say you don't really know how to make like a specific button. All you have to do is drag and drop. So all you have to do is click the add section, click what you wanted. So for example, let's say I want to add this CTA. I can go here and click add section and it'll go ahead and do that for me. And of course, it doesn't have to be the same one that I chose. Let's say you change your mind and you want the black one, you can just drop it in as well. So you don't have to manually click it, then click add section. You can just drag and drop. Moving into widgets, this is where you customize individual elements on the page. So that includes text, images, videos, buttons, spacing, and forms. If you want to adjust the opt-in form, change what fields are required, or move the form to a different position, this is where you would do it. Next, under styles, you can control the global look of the page. So this is where you adjust the button colors, corner designs, fonts, and typography. So instead of styling each button individually, you can set a consistent primary and secondary button style. So that way the page can look cohesive and professional. Under settings, you'll see options for SEO, and this is where you define the page title and meta description that appear in search results. If this lead magnet page is going to be indexed, this step matters. If it's only being used for ads or direct traffic, you can still fill this out for clarity and branding. And as I mentioned earlier, you can see the device preview icons at the bottom. So with one click, you can switch from desktop. You can even do a tablet, like let's say someone's using their iPad. A lot of features don't have the tablet, so this is a great add. And they also have, of course, the mobile. So this makes it easy to fine-tune spacing and text design and button placement so your page looks intentional on every single screen. As you move through each section and screen, the key takeaway is Leadpages is designed so that you're making those strategic decisions and not technical ones. You're choosing the layouts, you're adjusting your own messaging, and optimizing for conversion, so you're not worrying about code hosting or responsiveness. By the time you're done customizing, you'll have a fully functional lead magnet that's ready to collect emails and deliver your free resource automatically. And because everything is visual, you can iterate quickly without breaking anything. So one of the biggest advantages of building a lead magnet in Leadpages is how much conversion-focused structure is already built for you. So instead of starting from a blank page and wondering what type of sections that you should add, Leadpages already gives you proven layouts that are designed to guide your visitors towards taking the next step. So I just wanted to highlight this again. If you look over and see the sections panel, this is where you can quickly add things like an about section, testimonials, FAQs without designing anything from scratch. And each of these sections play a specific role in building trust and increasing conversions. So for example, the about section helps establish credibility. So it gives visitors context about who you are, why you're qualified to even offer this guide, and why they should trust you with their email address. So even a short about section can significantly reduce friction, especially for those first-time visitors. You could just drop it here if you want to, introduce yourself kind of lightly, and you can, of course, change it up to do your photo and vice versa. So testimonials are another powerful section that you can add. Social proof shows visitors that other people have already benefited from what you're offering. So Leadpages makes it easy to drop those testimonials directly into the page. So that way you're not relying solely on your headline to do all of the convincing. You'll also notice sections for FAQs FAQs and contact forms. So FAQs help overcome objections before someone even thinks of them. So if a visitor is hesitating, having answers right in front of them can be the difference between a bounce and a conversion. And a contact us section adds an extra layer of legitimacy by showing that there is a real business or a person behind the page. And what makes this really effective is that all of these sections are modular. So again, you can add them like you saw me do. You can remove them. You can customize the layout. So that way you're not locked into one single template. You're building a page that matches your goal, whether that's collecting emails, delivering a guide, or qualifying leads. This is why Leadpages works so well for high converting lead magnet pages. You're not guessing what should go on the page. You're choosing from sections that are already designed to support trust, clarity, and action, which is exactly what you want when someone is deciding whether to opt in. Now let's talk about the form itself, because this is where a lot of people hurt their conversion rates without realizing it. So if you head over to the Widgets tab on the left, you'll see options like form and custom form. So this gives you two paths. You can either use the form that's already built for you in the template, or you can build your own form from scratch if you want more control over what fields are included and how it connects to your email provider. What's important here is understanding that every extra field you ask someone to fill out adds friction. So the more information that you do request, the more effort it takes for someone to opt in, and that directly impacts how many people actually submit the form. So for the lead magnet, your primary goal is to just collect an email address. That means you definitely don't need the street address, the city, the last name. If you're using a template form like this one, you can click into the form and you can remove those extra fields. So that way the only thing required is the email or maybe first name if you just want to personalize follow-ups. Okay, and there you have it. It's a lot more simple and it gets people to actually download the free guide. If you want even more flexibility, using a custom form widget lets you design the form exactly how you want from the start. You choose which fields appear, which ones are required, and how simple the opt-in experience feels for the visitor. So this small adjustment makes a big difference. Fewer steps mean less hesitation. Less hesitation means more people actually submit the form, and more submissions mean more leads enter your funnel without changing your traffic at all. So whether you're editing the template form or building a custom one from the widgets panel, the idea is the same. Make it as easy as possible for someone to give you their email and get the value that you're offering. So what happens when someone submits the form? So this is where Leadpages really earns its keep. When someone enters their email and hits submit, Leadpages captures that lead instantly and handles the next step for you. You can send them to a thank you page, deliver the free download right away, or trigger an email with the link all automatically. You don't have to manually send files or wonder if someone got what they signed up for. It just works in the background. Inside Leadpages, you can also see exactly what's happening. You can view submissions, see which page they came from, and track which lead magnet is actually getting signups. That's huge, especially if you're sharing links in different places or running ads. And if you connect Leadpages to your email platform, every signup goes straight onto your list and into whatever follow-up you've set up. Welcome emails, nurture sequences, future offers, it all starts the moment they opt in. This is the part that turns a simple page into a real system. And once this is set up, your lead magnet doesn't just collect emails, it runs on its own, and now it gives you a clear insight into what's working. And that's how to build a high converting lead magnet with Leadpages, from the page layout all the way through form delivery and tracking. You've now seen how to create a page that not only looks good, but actually works behind the scenes, capturing leads, delivering your free resource automatically, and giving you visibility into what's performing. Once this is set up, you're no longer guessing. You know where your leads are coming from, what's converting, and you have a system you can reuse for future offers. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly website and funnel tutorials. I'm Erin from My First Website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.